about you, and almost feeling like you. 'Cause not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy. We saying everything to me, don't you? It's not funny. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Yeah.
Is it me or is this camera lighting look like I bleach twice a day? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to go ahead and film a everyday glam, like a soft glam type look. This is actually on New Year's Day, but you know what? This video ain't gonna go out until after New Year's. Therefore, I'm just going to go ahead and say Happy New Year's to everybody. Let me stop rambling and let's get right into this makeup look, because y'all came here from the thumbnail. Y'all saw my face, that makeup, and you were like, miss, we need to know the tea, sis. As always, I'm gonna probably speed past my eyebrows. So if y'all are like, wait, she did her eyebrows in like 5 seconds. Yes, I'm gonna be doing another eyebrow tutorial. I do one every single year. I will do one for 2020, don't you worry. You guys just sit back and enjoy the makeup tutorial. All right guys, so to start off, I always do my brows. I never start with my face. I don't know, I like doing my eyebrows first because I feel like it just shapes everything. It gets me in the mood, because trying to do my makeup and then still having eyebrows that look like this on top of my beat face. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. Y'all, I'm going on a Beyonce marathon. It don't matter what year it is. She's like, I just said, Siri, play Beyonce, and here we are, you know? I know I'm looking really crazy with halo brows, and that is because I'm actually going to be wearing a little bit of foundation today, just a little bit. I kid you not, you're gonna be like, that's it, because I really don't like wearing foundation. But for this, I really feel like I wanted it to be really nice and beat. I only wear foundation when I want to look impeccable. My brows are done. They look bomb, don't they? It's gonna look even better when I have my face done. Went ahead and primed my face with the LA Girl Pro Prep primer. I only applied it in underneath my eyes and in my T-zone, and then like above on top of my lip. That's it. What am I doing? Oh. So I'm just gonna take one of my BH Cosmetics brushes and I'm gonna blend out the concealer. We cannot have these notifications on and popping, no! I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the concealer from underneath my brows, because we do not want concealer to be saying hello, good morning to you. There's no more color correcting in 2020. Like, I just don't care about that. I feel like if my foundation can't get the job done by covering what need be, then I don't need to be buying that foundation anymore. So the foundation that I'm gonna be using is from Juvia's Place. It is the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. I freaking love this foundation. It covers everything. If you wanna look like a whole new human being, please buy this. It's amazing. I'm in the shade Malawi 230, taking that small amount of foundation, and I'm literally gonna apply doot underneath my eyes, on my forehead. That's it. I'm just taking another BH Cosmetics. This is a flat top kabuki brush. I feel like that was enough foundation for me. Y'all could add and do whatever you want, but this is what I like to do. So I'm gonna go in with my concealers. I like to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Okay, so I guess I'm using Espresso because I don't see where my Beautiful Bronze concealer is. I think it just literally disappeared. I just like to warm it up on the back of my hands first. I do have some on the back of my hand already. I'm going to go ahead and apply it underneath my eyes like so. I feel like concealer and just a touch of foundation is perfectly good with my skin. That's just my preference. Put it down the bridge of my nose. I definitely like to bring my concealer like to my the sides of my nose and then down the bridge. Doing the top of my lip. Like I said, I like to keep everything in the center because I just try to refrain from having cake face and like you know, looking like my face is floating off of my neck. I don't wanna be there anymore. I don't wanna look like I am pale. Cause every time so I'm just gonna go back with this, I don't even know what to call this brush, but it's just a brush that kind of like blends out my concealer. Make sure you get in between like all those nooks and crannies. So now that I have my concealer all nice and blended, you guys can see I am using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I love using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. This in the shade Banana. If you want to use a cheaper alternative, because this is cheaper, this is $20, but they're both great. I'm gonna take my Real Techniques Face Expert brush and just kind of go underneath my eye and make sure I don't have any creases. Just gonna take my powder. I don't add any to my eyelids and you'll see why. You guys can kind of see how my techniques for things. It's just very light-handed. I don't really want to do anything too heavy unless I'm going for that heavy look. I'm gonna take some residue from the concealer that I use on my lids and then kind of blend out on top of my lids, because you don't want to start putting eyeshadow on creased concealer. I'm actually going to go in with the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place. This palette actually has like the brown neutral tones that I'm looking for and using today. I am going to go in with Yodit and Kufuru. I actually might also go in with this Brick Red Jamada. We're gonna see. I might go in with that Orange Chew. These four colors right here are calling my name. I'm gonna go in with Yodit. Y'all see that? Do y'all see the pigmentation? Go ahead and stamp this color on top of my lid. I'm gonna do one eye at a time so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm taking my Sephora Pro crease brush and I'm going in with this orange, which is the Zama, and then the red color, which is Jamata. And I'm gonna pop this in my crease like nobody's business. A mattified sunset type of look. Okay, plain. You ain't got to shout. That is basically it for this look. Like, I'm not trying to do too much for the eye look. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Okay guys, so that's it for the eyes. Literally so simple with me. I don't ever really go too crazy with my eyeshadow looks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and dust off this powder. So to basically bring back all my bronziness and my skin tone, I'm gonna go in with the Sun Stalk'r, basically the bronzers from Fenty Beauty. And I like to go in with the shade Coco Naughty. It basically matches my face perfectly. So I just take my powder brush, I dip it up in there, honey. I need to buy another one because I'm starting to see the end of days with this one. I literally go all over my face with this powder because, like I said, I use it for an all over face powder. We're gonna go ahead and bronze the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the same eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place, the Warrior palette, and I'm gonna be going in with Kufuru. We're gonna just apply this to the contour area. taking the exact same brush that I used to apply the contour or the bronze or whatever. Palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using this red shade for the blush. It's called Jarawa. And I'm also going to mix it with Kahina. And you want to smile. And you guys already know how I feel about my highlighter. I have something in my eye. I absolutely love the Milani's Strobelight highlighters, and this is in the shade Glowing. It's my tried and true, and I love it so much, and I will never part. Me and her must never part. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight all over thine face. For 2 years, going on 3, I have been using this highlighter consecutively. It's so bomb. Also gonna highlight my inner corner, just a tad, nothing too crazy, and my brow bone. So now it's just basically where I do all the extra stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and take my liquid liner, jet black liner, and I'm gonna basically go over my brows with it. I do like to start off with the dark brown shade and then get it to like a black brown by adding just a little hint of the gel liner, and it also helps it to like control greasage. And then I'm also going to make some beauty marks, or enhance the beauty marks I already have, or create some. Nothing wrong with that. I am going to go ahead and add some brown lip liner. It's the same pencil that I use for my brows. It's a Wet n Wild pencil. It's $1, so y'all look forward to that eyebrow tutorial because I only paid $1 for this pencil. This is dollar quality eyebrows. I love using the AMC Cosmetics lip stain. It is a beautiful nude shade. It's a black owned brand. I will leave her link in the description so you guys can check her out. This is in the shade Eye Candy. Right down the middle. And blend it on out. Pat your lips, baby. Pat your lips, baby. All right, guys. So I typically don't really ever use a setting spray anymore. I just like to use my Rosewater toners or Rosewater spray, Mario Badescu, if you have that. So this one I got from Ross. It was $4.99, and it is the Rosewater toner from Advanced Clinicals. It's great. It's cheap. And it shall make my skin glow in the name of Jesus. Okay, let me just go ahead and get something to cover my lace with because I am not trying to have lifted lace, honey. Okay. Guys, so to complete this look, we're gonna go ahead and put on these lashes. I got these lashes from IC Beauty Hair. Can't really tell you where these are from. It's not a company or anything. It's literally a hair company, so I think I'm not about to tell you to buy bundles to get some lashes. So a lot of y'all be buying 25mm lashes from people, and those lashes are from AliExpress. And there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just letting you know. When I put on eyelashes, sometimes I kind of tear up. So, my crybaby ass. I gotta put some eyeshadow to like disguise the situations. It's not bad though. I don't really tear up that much because I'm kind of getting used to it at this point. But I'm just gonna put a little bit of the red colors that we put in the crease. So the Kahina and Jarawa. Girl, these names. So I think the last thing is lip gloss, honey, and this is from the beauty supply store. This is the coconut oil lip gloss. It was clear. It's kind of brown now because I put a lot of lip liner in this thing. This is the Broadway lip gloss that I get from the beauty supply store. It's the Vitalip coconut oil lip gloss. I love it. It's great. It doesn't stick to anything. This is the look, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do my little outro, fix my hair up. because I might be getting ready to go somewhere for New Year's or not. Like, I just honestly wanted to make this tutorial just so that if someone did ask me last minute, you want to go somewhere, I look beat, you know? If you guys want to see more makeup looks like this one, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave a like, and let me know in the comments down below if y'all want to see more makeup looks such as this. I could do all drugstore, whatever you like. I'm gonna see you guys when I'm all put together. So you have reached the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed the whole look, I know it's so cute. Like, you're gonna look so cute if you do this makeup look, like for real. Like, honestly, you don't have to do too much. I love soft glams. I do them all the time. That's just my go-to type of look for when I want to look beat. Basically, this is like my beat look. This is not a soft glam for me. This is my beat look. If you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the makeup look, then guys, please do not hesitate to give me a fat thumbs up for this video. Thank you so much for watching it all the way through. You're a real one. I appreciate you guys. Thank you to all the new subscribers that have been subscribing to my channel. Your girl, welcome to Loyal Royal fam. We are lucky to have you. Once again, if I didn't say it enough, Happy New Year's. I love each and every single one of you guys. And I will see you guys in another banger. Peace out. Bye.